Welcome to my channel. Hello everyone, today I show you kids toys in Family Dollar store. Here you can find toys and household items at very reasonable prices. As you see my videos, I have 3 kids, and they need toys all the time. That's why I love the store, Family Dollar, because every toy here is very reasonably priced. As you can see for yourself, here is the price of each toy. Check it out. These are all children's school supplies. Children go to school, they use pencils, crayons, and more. You can see these are all party supplies, which are used in decoration and birthday party, also in very reasonable price.
And I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11